Here we are again bringing you another awesome project. I'm Andrew with Riverbed Builders, and today we are building a 16 by 14 ecosystem pond. Gotten a lot accomplished on this pond. Now let me show you around and what we're thinking everything's just going to come together and look like. We got our pond excavated, a 30-inch depth out through this area, kind of an irregular shape. We're going to be putting a skimmer at this end, and over here will be our waterfalls coming down. We've put our biofalls filter in already, and we're backfilling it. So there'll be some waterfalls that come here and then come down entering the pond here and cause circulation moving through the pond. So next step is underlayment liner and getting our skimmer set over here. So this project's coming together pretty quickly. Always a great idea to be thinking about your koi while you're building koi ponds. Obviously, it's always a good idea to put in some kind of predator control, if that makes sense. So on this project, we're installing a fish cave. So fish caves are a great way to give your fish a nice protected spot so that they can hide when a predator comes, or just a nice cool spot when it gets hot in the summertime for them to kind of go and lay and relax. So let me show you what this is going to look like. So this is our fish cave. So the fish will be able to go in here. We're using a culvert. I believe this is a 12-inch culvert that we've cut down, and then we'll face each side with boulders, and so you'll never see it again, the plastic culvert that is, and then it'll look like a nice cool place. So it is a muddy mess out here, and the rocks are going into place pretty quickly, but everything's starting to look good. Just going for it. All right, let me get in there, bro. You're good. You're good. Can you come back? Can you come back?
we rock in a pond, we want to use nice big boulders that aren't going to move around. They're going to stay put. And we're going to pack gravel in behind these places and lock everything together. And then when we want a mixture of rocks so it doesn't just look monotonous, so bigger, smaller, and then we'll lock these even smaller rocks in the voids so that you know, all the spaces are covered and we don't have any black liner showing, and everything looks beautiful when we're done. And it's kind of like a big jigsaw puzzle, trying to fit all the rocks in there. And then we want to be above this top shelf, so when you put gravel here, it's not just going to wash down into the pond over time. So just kind of keep moving them around. See, that's kind of still a little bit low, so if I put gravel up here, over time it's just going to flow down into the pond. So we want to make these rocks stand up tall.
Probably would be better over there, right?
Yep. Missed this. I went and grabbed the camera just to film this for the video, but it is sleeting on us, and we are about to set the biggest boulder of the day. So this is great, but you can see how much ice and stuff is building up on our underlayment. But so I'm gonna put you in a good spot and see if we can't set this boulder.
them look good.